Hello, 你好, welcome back to Super Easy Mandarin for Beginner, episode 2. If you want to see episode 1, I'll put the link down below. And if you want to download the PDF file and worksheet of episode 1, I'll also put a link down below. Now, let's get started to this video lesson. So, for this video lesson, I'm going to show you how I teach my brand new student for the second lesson of Mandarin Chinese. So basically, I don't teach pronunciation and pinyin. I just give vocabulary and use their instinct to pronounce the word. So now let's get started. Today's words are number 1. How do you pronounce when you see this? Okay, according to your knowledge from our first episode, you might pronounce this as 我. Yes, 我. I hope you got it right. 我 means I. 我. So 我 我. Good. The second. How do you pronounce this one? 你. 你 means you. 你很好. Very good. Next one. How do you pronounce this one? The first tone. 他 I think it's super easy. 他, alright, means he and she. So when pronouncing Chinese 他, you don't know the person is saying he or she. But if you see the character of Chinese, you know this one is girl, that one is a boy. Okay. 他. Next one, 2 words. 他们 means they. 他们. So 们 here, just make it plural. Easy, right? 他们. Next one. 你们 you guys. 你们 plural. 你们. Okay. Next one. 我们 we. Okay, next one. How would you pronounce this one? 台湾 Very good. Next one. Oh, easy. Mama, mother. Mama. Very good. Mama, mother. Next one. 爸爸 Father, 爸爸. Next one. Okay, this one is 要 for tone means want. 要 for tone, like duh. Okay, 要 for tone. Alright, 2 more. What's this? I think I say a lot in my other video lesson this vocab. 袋子 a bag. 袋子 a bag. A plastic bag, usually. Last one. How would you pronounce this? 喜欢 like. Alright, so I'm going to combine the word that we learned today into sentences. First of all, you have to listen and see how much do you understand. Okay, sentence number 1. 我爸爸要袋子。我爸爸要袋子。我爸爸要袋子。What does that mean? I hope you hear that. 我爸爸 literally means I father, but here it means my father. Exactly. 我爸爸 my father. Easy. 我爸爸要袋子 my father wants a bag. Next one. 我妈妈是台湾人。我妈妈是台湾人。我妈妈是台湾人。What did I say? My mother is a Taiwanese. That's right. 我妈妈是台湾人。Next one. 那个台湾人很忙。那个台湾人很忙。I used the word, the vocab that I mentioned in my previous video lesson, so please look at the previous video lesson first and see this episode second, alright? Next one. 这个人很喜欢台湾。这个人很喜欢台湾。这个人很喜欢台湾。What did I say? This person very like Taiwan, so means that this person likes Taiwan very much. 这个人很喜欢 we say very like in Mandarin, so 这个人很喜欢台湾。See, I just gave you a few sentences of Mandarin out of these vocab. This is just the second lesson and the second episode of Super Easy Mandarin Chinese for Beginner. Okay, if you want to check out the first episode, please see the link down below. And if you want to see more of my video lesson and my ebook and podcast, here is my ebook, 5 Essential Topics of Mandarin Chinese. You can get this ebook, get an audio file and audio lesson of this ebook on my Patreon page. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. 下次见，再见。